Hey everyone, it's Jimmy, and welcome back to my channel. We're talking about 5 mouth-watering dinner recipes, and the best part is, they all use something you probably have stashed away in your kitchen right now, leftover breadcrumbs. We're gonna transform those little crumbs into culinary masterpieces. Get ready to take some notes because you won't want to miss this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First up, we're tackling a classic chicken tenders, but with a mega crunch. We're going to make these tenders so crispy, so golden brown, that you'll forget all about takeout. First, we're going to take about a pound of boneless, skinless chicken tenders and give them a good pat down with paper towels. We need them dry so our breading sticks. Now, for the breading station. In one bowl, we've got flour, about a cup seasoned with salt, pepper, and paprika. Next bowl, 2 beaten eggs. And finally, the star of the show, a cup and a half of breadcrumbs. Get those hands dirty and dredge each tender in the flour, then the egg, and finally, coat them generously in those beautiful breadcrumbs. Make sure every inch is covered. All right, now let's get these babies nice and crispy in some hot oil, about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry them for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side until they're golden brown and cooked through. Serve them up with your favorite dipping sauce, honey mustard, BBQ, ranch. The possibilities are endless. Next up, we're taking those leftover breadcrumbs and turning them into the secret weapon for the juiciest, most flavorful meatballs you've ever tasted. In a large bowl, combine a pound of ground beef or turkey if you're feeling healthy, with an egg, half a cup of breadcrumbs, some chopped onion and garlic, and your favorite Italian seasonings. Don't be afraid to get your hands in there and really mix it all up. Now, here's where the magic happens. Breadcrumbs. They're going to soak up all that delicious moisture and make our meatballs super tender. Roll the mixture into golf ball-sized meatballs and place them in a baking dish. Pop them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until they're cooked through. Serve them over spaghetti with your favorite marinara sauce, or get creative and make meatball subs. Chapter 3. Ultimate Cheesy Breadcrumb Mac and Cheese. Get ready for the most epic mac and cheese you've ever laid eyes on. We're ditching the box stuff and making it from scratch, and you guessed it. Breadcrumbs are the secret to next-level cheesiness. Start by cooking your favorite pasta according to package directions. While that's going, let's make the cheese sauce. In a saucepan, melt some butter over medium heat. Whisk in flour, about 1/4 cup, and cook for a minute or two. Gradually whisk in milk until the sauce is smooth. Then slowly stir in your shredded cheese, cheddar, Monterey Jack, whatever you like. Once the cheese is melted and the sauce is smooth, stir in the cooked pasta. Now here's the game changer. Sprinkle a generous amount of breadcrumbs over the top and bake it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the breadcrumbs are golden brown and the cheese is bubbly. Trust me, this is pure comfort food heaven. Chapter 4. Stuffed Mushroom Extravaganza. Let's get fancy, shall we? We're talking stuffed mushrooms, but not just any stuffed mushrooms. These babies are packed with flavor and topped with a crispy breadcrumb crust that will have everyone begging for more. First things first, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's prep the mushrooms. Remove the stems from about a pound of button mushrooms and clean them with a damp paper towel. Finally, chop the stems and set them aside. In a pan, sauté some chopped onion and garlic in butter until softened. Add the chopped mushroom stems and cook until softened. Stir in some breadcrumbs, about half a cup, and cook for a few minutes to let them soak up all that delicious flavor. Season with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs. Stuff each mushroom cap generously with the breadcrumb mixture and place them in a baking dish. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until the mushrooms are tender and the topping is golden brown. Chapter 5. Crispy Crunchy Fish Fillet Fiesta. Get ready for a taste of the ocean, because we're making crispy, crunchy fish fillets that will have you hooked from the first bite. We're talking restaurant quality flavor, but way more fun because we're making it at home. Pat your fish fillets dry with paper towels. This helps the breading stick better. Set up your breading station just like we did for the chicken tenders. Flour seasoned with salt and pepper, beaten eggs, and breadcrumbs. Dredge each fillet in the flour, then the egg, and finally, coat them generously in those beautiful breadcrumbs. Make sure every inch is covered for maximum crunch. Now, heat some oil in a pan over medium heat. You want enough oil to come about halfway up the sides of the fillets. Carefully place the breaded fillets in the hot oil and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes per side, or until they're golden brown and cooked through. Serve them up with lemon wedges, tartar sauce, or your favorite dipping sauce. Outrow Breadcrumb Bonanza. There you have it, folks. 5 incredible dinner recipes that transform those humble breadcrumbs into culinary masterpieces. From crispy chicken tenders to cheesy mac and cheese, flavorful meatballs to elegant stuffed mushrooms, and crispy fish fillets, there's something here for everyone. So next time you're wondering what to do with those leftover breadcrumbs, don't throw them out. Put them to good use and create a delicious, budget-friendly meal that will impress your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more delicious recipes.